it. Okay, Sam, last bottle fired. Bring her aboard under deck control, over.
Bring aboard.
Okay, so I've just told him we fired all the bottles. As far as I'm concerned, the people on the deck now control everything.
Okay.
And they will tell him, you know, if there's anything they want him to do, they'll say, okay, slow down, stop, or whatever. But I'm no longer in control. Out of the water, boom, not quite. You see the ship roll. Right, there you go, now it's out. And the sensor's reading 0. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to note the time, 2019. So it took us just under an hour from the time we went in.
Yeah.
Everybody's going to think we listen to Barry White all the time.
What? The music?
Yeah.
So I'm going to take one of that song. Okay, that's done. And that's why we cover everything. We put, you know, little shower cap things on the tops of the bottles. We can cover up the spigots with these gloves just to try and keep everything that could lead to contamination as clean as possible. So we have these squirt bottles of ultra pure water to try and rinse anything that might have gotten picked up contamination outside. Try and keep our gloves as clean as possible. So we take nutrient samples, salinity samples. Those are unfiltered, so we do those first. these samples really clean. So we'll rinse off the spigots again. $100 each. We try and filter as much water through the filters as possible to load them up so that we can get enough material on there to analyze. Filter until it pretty much stops. Filters will get so plugged up that they'll stop flowing, or we'll run out of water. So sometimes we can filter the entire bottle through one filter. Other times we have to stop. It traps all the plankton and the larger bacteria.
You collect the metals that wear on plankton and bacteria? Is that what you're analyzing?
Because that's the bioactive elements that we're measuring are being taken up by the plankton. And that's what Chris was talking about the other day, that there's not enough iron down here for the plankton to use up all the nutrients. But they're growing. I mean, they are out here. They're just not, they're not able to take advantage of all the nutrients because they don't have enough iron. But they also need cobalt, manganese, and zinc, and nickel and copper. So that particles that we collect should have the nickel and copper and the iron on them because they're in them. So this level of acidification drops the pH to less than 2, which should kill everything.
We rock you.